3 eggs room temperature. Sugar 100 gram. Vanilla essence ½ teaspoon. Beat until foamy. Oil ½ cup. Whisk well to combine. All-purpose flour 120 gram. Cocoa powder 25 gram. Baking powder 1 teaspoon. Sift well. Mix it carefully. Note: do not overmix. Pour batter evenly into the lined and greased baking pan. Preheat oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 25 minutes. Milk 3/4 cup. Whipping cream ½ cup. Condensed milk 3 tablespoons. Mix together until combined and set aside. Cool the cake in the pan for 15 minutes and remove from the pan and peel off parchment paper. Place the cake in a same pan. When the cake has cooled completely, cut the top of the cake so that the base has 2 centimeters. Take out the pieces of the cake and make a hollow inside, leaving a 1.5 centimeter rim around the edges. Crumble into fine crumbs from the pieces of cake and set aside. Pour the prepared milk mixture over the entire cake and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Peel 3 bananas, cut in slices, and place them in the hollow formed inside the cake. Pipe in some whipped cream over the banana slices. Spread evenly. Sprinkle the fine crumbs all over. Pipe in some whipped cream and refrigerate for 4 hours. Enjoy!